In this video, we'll show you how to use UCard at Dollar General store. So if your UCard includes OTC, healthy food and supplemental benefits, you can use it in participating Dollar General stores for eligible purchases such as approved groceries, over-the-counter medicines and wellness products. So here are the steps what you need to do. First of all, you need to find the Dollar General shop where they accept UCard. Find the shop for eligible items covered by your UCard benefits. Then you need to take your items to checkout, tell the cashier you are paying with UCard or OTC benefits card, swipe or insert or tap your UCard when prompt, and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. But keep in mind that there might be some items that are not covered, so you need to pay the remaining balance with another payment method. Also, there are some important things to remember. Not all products qualify for UCard benefits. Coverage varies by insurance plan. And also don't forget to check your available balance before shopping. And if your UCard is declined, verify that the items you are purchasing are eligible under your plan. Using your UCard at Dollar General is a very convenient way to purchase approved health and wellness products covered by your benefits. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.